Good morning, children. In today's EVS class, we are going to write notes for lesson number 11, Our Earth. Now, take down your notebook. Take a notebook. Write today's date. Take your EVS classwork note. Write today's date. Lesson number 11, Our Earth. Lesson number 11, Our Earth. So now, shall we start? First one is new words. New words. N-E-W, new words. W-O-R-D-S, new words. So first one, flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Second one, plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. So second one is plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Third one, mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Mountain. M-O-U-N, mountain. T-A-I-N, mountain. Fourth one, desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Fourth one is desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Fifth one, crops. C-R-O-P-S, crops. Fifth one is crops. Finished till this? Yes, first one is flat. Second one plain. Third one mountain. Fourth one desert. Fifth one crops. Shall we move on to the next one? So sixth one is oceans. So sixth one is oceans. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. Oceans. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. Seventh one, lakes. L-A-K-E-S, lakes. Seventh one is lakes. L-A-K-E-S, lakes. Eighth one, ponds. P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Eighth one is ponds. P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Ninth one, garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Ninth one is garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. B-A-G-E, garbage. Tenth one, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. So next one is fill in the blanks. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one. Second one, fill in the second Roman letter is fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S. So first one, we live on the dash. We live on the dash. Where do we live? On the earth, isn't it? So write down earth. E-A-R-T-H. We, W-E-V, live. L-I-V-E, live on the earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. So write down capital letter. We live on the earth. We live on the earth. E-A-R-T-H. We live on the earth. Second one, many deserts are covered with. Many deserts are covered with. Yes, how the deserts are covered with? Is covered with sand, right? So many deserts are covered with sand. So second one, many, M-A-N-Y, deserts, D-E-S-E-R-T-S, are covered with. C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered with dash, sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Many deserts are covered with sand. Third one, we breathe in dash. We breathe in dash. What do we breathe in? Air. So we breathe in air. We breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe in air. A-I-R, air. Last, fourth one. A large part of the earth is covered with dash. Large part of the earth is covered with So large part of the earth is covered with what? Water. So large part of the earth is covered with water. W-A-T-E-R. Large part. L-A-R-G-E. Large part. P-A-R-T part of the earth. E-A-R-T-H is covered with water. W-A-T-E-R. A large part of the earth is covered with water. Next one. Third Roman numeral. Write true or false. Third Roman numeral is write true or false. So I'm going to read out the statement. You're going to say whether it is a whether the statement is true or false. Write true or false. First one, the earth is shaped like an orange. The earth is shaped like an orange. Now tell me whether the statement is true or false. It is like an orange shape, right? So true. The earth, E-A-R-T-H, is earth is shaped, S-H-A-P-E-D, shaped like an orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. So the statement is true. Write on true. T-R-U-E. The earth is shaped like an orange. True. Second one, we should throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers. We should throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers. Is that correct? We should not throw, right? So the statement is false. Write down false. F-A-L-S-E. False. We should not throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers. So second one, write down we should. W-E-V. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. We should throw. T-H-R-O-W. The garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage and other waste. O-T-H-E-R, waste, W-A-S-T-E-S, waste into the rivers. So false, F-A-L-S-E. Third one, we can see air. Third one is we can see air. Can we see air? No. So the statement is false. Write down false. We cannot see air. We can see air. So that is false. F-A-L-S-E. We can see. S-E-E-C. Air. A-I-R. Air. So that is a false statement. F-A-L-S-E. We cannot see air. Fourth one. We must not cut trees or harm animals. We must not cut trees or harm animals. Correct. Is the correct statement or wrong? Yes, we should not cut the trees and harm animals, right? So that is the statement is true. We must not cut trees or harm animals. We must not, N-O-T, not cut, C-U-T, cut trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees, or harm, H-A-R-M, harm animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. So true. Fifth one, living things can live on earth without air. Living things can live on the earth without air. Living things can live on the earth, living things can live on the, capital E, E-A-R-T-H. Living things can live on the earth without air. Whether can we live without air? No, we cannot live without air. So the statement is false. Write on false. F-A-L-S-E. Living things, L-I-V-I-N-G. Living things, T-H-I-N-G-S. Can live on the earth without air. W-H-T-H-O-U-T. Without air. A-I-R. Air. So that is a false statement. F-A-L-S-E. We all copied this till this. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Fourth one. Name the following. Name the following. N-A-M-E. Name the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Name the following. First one. A large area of flat land. First one. A large area of flat land. What do we call it as? Plain. P-L-A-I-N. Answer is plain. A large. L-A-R-G-E. Area. A-R-E-A. Area of flat land. F-L-A-T. Flat. L-A-N-D. Land. A large area of flat land. Plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Second one. Very high land. Very high land. What do we call it as? Very high land. Mountain. So answer is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Very high land. V-E-R-Y. Very high land. H-I-G-H-I. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Mountain. Third one. Name some crops grown in hilly areas. Grown in the hilly areas. Name some crops grown in the hilly areas. What are the crops that grow in the hilly areas? Tea and coffee. So answer is tea and coffee. Name some crops grown. G-R-O-W-N. Grown in the hilly areas. H-I-L-L-Y. Hilly areas. A-R-E-A-S. Areas. Answer is tea and coffee. T-E-A-T and coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. So fourth one. Large area of dry sandy land. Large area of dry sandy land. What do we call it as? Desert. So large area of dry. D-R-Y. Dry. Sandy. S-A-N-D-Y. Sandy land. L-A-N-D. Land. Desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. So large area of flat land is called plain. Very high land is called mountain. Name some crops grown in the hilly areas. Tea and coffee. Large area of dry sandy land. Desert. So fifth one. Answer the following. So first one. Answer the following. Fifth one. Answer the following. First one. What is the earth covered with? First question is. What is the earth covered with? Earth is covered with land, air and water, right? So, what is the earth covered with? The earth is covered with land, water and air. Write down. The earth is E-A-R-T-H. Earth is covered with C-O-V-E R-E-D. Covered with land. L-A-N-D. Land. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. And air. A-I-R. Air. The earth is covered with land, water and air. What is the earth covered with? The earth is covered with land, water and air. So second question. What are the different forms of land? What are the different D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T different forms of land? F-O-R-M-S forms of land. What are the different forms of land? Plains, mountains and deserts, right? So answer. The different forms of land are plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains and deserts. D-E-S-E-R-T-S. So the different forms of land are plains, mountains and deserts. So let's move on to the third question. Where do we find water on earth? Where do we find water on earth? Where can we find water on earth? Oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds, right? So answer. On the earth, we find water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. On the earth, We find, W-E-V, find, F-I-N-D, find, water, W-A-T-E-R, water in oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers, lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes, and ponds, P-O-N-D-S. So on the earth, we find water in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds. So fourth question. What do we use water for? What do we use water for? For what purpose we are using water? For drinking, cooking, and to wash our clothes and to keep ourselves clean, right? So shall we write the answer now? Answer. We use water to drink, cook food, wash our clothes, and keep ourselves clean. We use water to drink, cook food, wash our clothes, and keep ourselves clean. So drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink, cook food, C-O-O-K, cook, F-O-O-D, food, wash our clothes, W-A-S-H, wash our clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, and keep ourselves clean, K-E-E-P, keep ourselves, O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, ourselves clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. So we use water to drink, cook food, wash our clothes, and keep ourselves clean. So that's all for today's class, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.